Every year, brand promise revolutionary upgrade, more megapixel, more AI, more lens, but does it really matter, or is it getting better, or is it just a marketing hype? Today I am exposing the truth about smartphone cameras. Tell you the things that brands don't let you to know. Ever wondered why iPhone take better photos than some 108 MP or 100 plus MP Android phones? That is because megapixels don't matter as much as you think. What really matters is the sensor size. Now, the sensor size is what gives the camera or the picture more processing power and quality. So, the image processing power, a phone with small camera sensor and bad software will take worst photo even if it is a 50 or 500 MP camera. This is why a 12 MP DSLR still beats a 200 MP smartphone any day. You've seen smartphones with quad cameras, but you know that some of those lenses are just for show. Many brands add useless 2 MP macro and depth camera to make it look like you are getting more, but in reality you are just getting good lens with 3 gimmicks. This is just marketing descriptions on budget phones. They use this to make you feel like you are getting the best, while in the actual sense you ain't getting anything. This is just marketing description to make budget phones look more premium. Have you ever taken a photo that looks way better than real life? That is because modern smartphones camera are heavily edited on AI before you've even seen them. AI automatically smooth skin, brighten colors, and sometimes even change the shape of your face. That is why your phone photos don't always look like reality. This is, but it also means your photos aren't real anymore. If you want truly great smartphone photos, forget megapixel. Use the main camera only. It has the best sensor and lens. Turn off AI enhancement. They make photos look artificial. Use manual pro mode. Adjust the ISO, shutter speed, and white balance. All these settings are available mainly on the main camera, and they will make your photo or photography, video look more professional. Clean your lens before taking photos. Lighting is everything. No matter the megapixel you have, it cannot fix bad lighting. So make sure you have a better lighting condition. These simple tricks will make your photos look better than what brand wants you to believe. So next time the brand tries to sell you a 200 MP camera, don't fall for it. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe and share, because trust me, most people have no idea about this.